Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far, and welcome to this new video, obviously on Bitcoin. We're going to do a full update. I wanted to focus a little bit more on Bitcoin specifically. There's quite a lot going on today, which we need to talk about. Well, yesterday a lot went down as well. I mean, after I made the middle of the day market update, like price was already weak, right? And what I said yesterday morning, just to clean the records. What I said yesterday morning is that I still thought it was most likely we would get some sort of a short squeeze before ultimately falling down towards that level at 93 and 92,000. But then in the afternoon, what we already saw, for example, is that the kind of the macro financial, the macroeconomic markets, such as the dollar strength index and the stock markets, were not really moving in a favorable direction for Bitcoin. And then outside of that, for Bitcoin specifically, we also saw very early yesterday already that the Coinbase Bitcoin premium we had for the last 2 weeks or so also started to disappear and turn into a discount, which usually is an indication of some selling pressure coming from the US. So that wasn't great. So in the middle of the day market update, I already said, we might get some sort of a small short squeeze here. Something like this, which we had yesterday afternoon, but now it's starting to look more likely that will drop down into 93,000. So in the end, we did see it coming, but it was a bit late. And I gotta be honest, I mean, analyzing Bitcoin right now is just quite hard because right now the big question is that, all right, well, we got a nice touch from the bottom of the range right here around 93, 92,000. As you can see, we also have the 200 EMA there. And it's like technically we've actually found support here and bounced up quite often, right? So it's a strong support level, and it's a support level that we can trust. But most often the price actually drops down towards 92,000, and we have not hit that yet. But then what we have seen is that, first of all, the volume has actually increased quite a bit, 34% up right now at $38 billion. So the small move up we've seen since yesterday evening, since that drop into 93,000, has actually been with some nice volume, which is always great. And with that volume, we actually managed to break back above a pretty important level right here at 95,000. And then we also got some news about MicroStrategy announcing a new private offering of $2 billion of convertible senior notes. So that's $2 billion that's going into the Bitcoin market again, and this is new, and therefore it will affect the price. It wasn't priced in yet. So because of that, and I will be completely honest with you, it's very hard to predict right now, but because of that, as long as we're holding 95,000, that's kind of the magic level I'm looking at. I think we're fine, and I think we can at least get some sort of a move back into 98,000, and from there we'll see again. I don't expect us to all of a sudden turn massively bullish. That's not what I expect, but getting some more bullish momentum here does seem most likely. Now, last thing, what you also need to know is that tonight we have the FOMC minutes, so that will make the market move as well. FOMC minutes usually don't do as much as the interest rates decision, for example, obviously. But it's definitely something you need to keep your eyes on, and definitely something to be aware of. Yeah, that's it for now. So this is what I would say is most likely. I will keep you updated, though. I'll be back with my middle of the day market updates later today, in the middle of the day. But before that, be careful. And altcoins, I mean, you can see most altcoins are still correlated, and the total 3 is at support, so that's good. But it's not bullish. So be aware of that. That's what you need to know. Take care. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.